allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one and indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I heard the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Hi, Wolverines. Here is another quote from Anthony Robbins about promise keeping. There's always a way if you are committed. Promise keeping is about commitment. I will do what I say I am going to do. Let's think about that during our moment of silence.
And my name is Gwen, and we're doing a book of the day on...
It is
I Am Pushing the Cat.
I love this book because there's a lot of funny stuff in here about Pushin, and she is one big cute cat.
I like this book because she is funny. In the book, it tells you what she likes and how she does stuff, and it's really funny.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, my name's Anissa.
And my name is Zoe.
We have the quote of the day. It is, no problem too big,
no mountain too tall.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Wolverines, my name is Aiden Barton, and my favorite challenge was probably smile at 25 people, because whenever you're happy and you help somebody, they'll help somebody else, and it makes this just very long chain of friendship. I think you guys should do this because we need to do this because in this world there needs to be kindness.
Hello, it's time to apply for Wolverine News for the 4th and last 9 weeks of the school year. Go to the Winkley Library website and click on the red star. Then click on the Wolverine News tab. Next, click on the link to access the Google form to apply. Now complete the form. Don't forget that you must be signed in to your school Google account to access the application form. Congratulations, you did it. Now sit back, enjoy spring break, and we will announce who our next Wolverine News team is when you come back from spring break.